Not every cane is ready at the same time. Timing decides the quality of the sugar.
Harvesting must be fast because sweetness fades once the cane is cut.
From this moment on, the clock starts ticking. Sugarcane must reach the factory quickly. Freshness means yield.
Every kilometer matters. The factory is already waiting.
This is where agriculture meets industry. Every load is measured. Nothing enters unseen. Weight tells the factory how much sugar it can expect. Now the raw harvest enters the heart of the process. From field to steel, the transformation begins. Dirt must go. Only clean cane makes clean sugar. Water removes what the field leaves behind.
This is where sweetness is released from the fiber.
What happens next decides how much sugar the cane will give. Inside the cane, the sugar is still trapped. Pressure is the key to free it. One press is never enough. Efficiency comes from repetition.
Nothing here is wasted. Even what remains has value.
This liquid holds the sugar, but it is far from pure. Heat prepares the juice for cleaning. Lime binds the unwanted parts so sugar can stand alone.
Time allows gravity to do its work.
What flows now is cleaner, but still not finished.
Impurities leave the system. Sugar moves forward.
Even leftovers are given a second chance.
Now the journey shifts from cleaning to concentration. Water leaves, sweetness stays behind.
With every step, sugar becomes more concentrated.
Crystal by crystal, sugar is born. Separation is about balance, force, and control.
What stays becomes sugar. What leaves becomes something else. Even this byproduct will find another purpose.
What you see now is raw sugar still holding moisture.
To last, sugar must be completely dry. Moisture is the enemy of storage.
Heat removes what time cannot.
Dry sugar must cool before it can rest. Stability comes before storage. Uniformity matters, even in something so small.
From field to crystal, the factory now prepares the final step.
When storage ends, precision begins again. Every bag must tell the same story, the right weight. Packaging begins with trust in the machines. A closed bag protects months of work.
Machines see what the human eye might miss.
Experience still has its place here.
Order keeps the flow moving.
Even stacking follows a design. Protection continues beyond the bag.
Information travels with the sugar.
Every pallet leaves a digital footprint.
Storage is patience made visible. Here, sugar waits for its next journey.
From quiet storage back into the world. Movement returns, the sugar is ready to leave.
Distance demands stability. Sugar leaves quietly, its work still ahead. Even as one batch leaves, another begins. The factory never truly stops. Heat and time continue their quiet work. Control keeps chaos away. Even water is given a second purpose. Waste becomes power. Nothing is wasted.
Energy flows back into the process.
Care keeps machines honest. Time passes. The work remains the same. The cycle always returns to this point. A factory is not a place, it is a rhythm.
Machines produce, but humans still verify.
Quality begins with looking closely.
Dryness decides how long sugar will last.
Even small imperfections matter.
Every batch leaves a record behind. Consistency is repetition done right. Small adjustments prevent big problems.
Storage is never still.
Sugar moves where it is needed.
Every departure repeats the same care.
Balance keeps cargo safe. The factory keeps its promise, quietly.
Time outside changes inside. The process remains.
People change, responsibility does not. This balance is not accidental. It is earned.
In the end, sugar is simple, but the path to simplicity is long. Speed means nothing without control. Order is built one layer at a time.
Logistics is the art of movement.
Even at night, the work continues. Endings here are always beginnings. Clean starts everything over. The process does not tire. Consistency is the factorial's promise. When everything works, no one notices. This is how raw cane becomes something the world depends on. Time moves forward, the process stays true. Care lives in small actions.
Inspection confirmed and logged. The system is stable and operating at optimal efficiency.